Hi, everyone. Dr. Terry Rouse, and I'm really excited to share with you today that the release of Untamed Chaos, a parent's guide to improving communication, resolving conflict, and restoring peace in your home is up and available just about everywhere. In the book, we talk about part of my story and how I ended up doing all the things that I do when it comes to working with families and parents and helping them to restore peace in their home. But I also talk about positive attention, which is so vitally important to not only your children, but also to you as a parent. Other things that we talk about are allowing children to have choices and to make decisions, and why that is so important so that they can build those muscles. We talk about the consequences of said choices and decisions and behaviors and all of that. Talk about self-care and how important that is and how it is not selfish to take care of yourself and why it is so important. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am available for phone calls. I'm available to have a conversation. And we have a Facebook group you can join as well. I am here to be with you. I understand what is happening through all of this. I see you, I hear you, I am you, and I am with you. Thanks, everybody.